Hello, this is Fernando Mejia. This is my Nova ID. Um, my Nova ID number 6863443. And I will now start my presentation on the importance of accounting research. Okay. Alright, in order to have a better understanding on basically everything, it's to do a research first. What are you going to be dealing with? What are going to be the path? What are going to be the solutions? What's going to be the problem? I will choose accounting research for this particular topic because my business associate has awakened on me a really big interest on accounting. So I will let you know the many uses in organizations. It will be depending what's on the plan, right? In organizations, the future planning, what do you deal with accounting research. So there are many questions that an accountant researches will have, like which path it takes, is there any skills, like how do I research effectively, what the available sources of auditing and accounting available right now. So basically an accountant is just like an investigator, right, with strong analytical and communication skills. That one, it's a really important key. Communication skills will lead to the accountant to the best way possible in order to do this job, because you will start dealing with managers and other accountants and other parts of your business that will give you another important skill. Will be analytical thinking cycle, problem, hypothesis, facts, analysis, solutions. That's really important, but one of the most critical things in research is the proper thing on focusing on one problem. The issue identification of this will lead you to results, so you can do the talking. There are several types of accounting research. I will start and talk about two of them. Financial accounting. This is one of company's financial transactions. Transactions are recorded, presented in a financial report or financial statement, like an income statement or a balance sheet. You have to build the numbers, calculating, analyzing business and financial positions, what it's the score of in the business, basically. The second one will be the managerial accounting. This one, it's really interesting, since they tend to be a little bit confusing, because they might sound similar, but they are quite different. This one focuses on the future goals of the company, based on the numbers. What are we gonna do with these results that we have? Opportunity cost. So just to be clear, the main difference between the managerial and financial accounting is managerial focuses on internal and external sources and focuses. The accounting research is the one that sets for actual numbers. What's the score, all the stuff. The different financial markets into the in what we can deal with accounting research, as you can see in the picture over here. Price determination, funds mobilization, liquidity, risk sharing, easy access, transaction in costs, capital formation. This is all has to be with accounting research, because you need to we can call it test your next environment that you're going to be working. Is it liquidity? Is it doable to be investing on that area? So those are the things in which we can use accounting research. Uh, it's very useful. And that will be my presentation for the Ignite talk.